guys, welcome back to my video, and today's video is going to be like a mixture of what I eat and how I work out and a bit of just vlogging random things. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it. We are starting in the evening because I went to this really cool place called EL&N in Shairib, Qatar. It's really nice, very aesthetically pleasing, like Instagram worthy. It's all pink, and these are the streets of Shairib. If you haven't been there, it's really nice. If you live in Qatar, it's really like one of my favorite places to hang out here. There's so many restaurants, cafes. It's a bit expensive. It's not like really cheap, but it's worth it, honestly. I also dyed my hair. If you haven't checked it out, I filmed a video of me dyeing the underlayer of my hair blonde. So here's the next day. I received this knit sweater from Shein. I was really happy with it. It's perfect for winter. So I usually start my day by drinking water. I have been doing this for like a few weeks now. It's really better for me like to wake up, and yeah, I used to just drink like Nesquik in the morning and milk, and I found out that just drinking water is way better for me. I'm usually not a breakfast person, but I've been trying my best to have something with calories, protein, like to get as much as I can in the morning, because that keeps me going during the day. If I don't have breakfast, I'm just not gonna eat until like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I find that making things like aesthetically pleasing helps me with craving more breakfast, if you know what I mean. So I usually just try a bit harder for breakfast because it makes me hungrier for some reason. So this is just like something I've been craving. Just an egg inside a bread, and just keep the egg a bit soft. It's really, really good. So next I wanted to do my nails, something related to winter. So I saw a picture on Google. Someone did like a snowman, very easy because I'm not a professional, as you can see. Like most of my nail polish is outside of my nail, sorry. So I started by just drawing a carrot. So that's like the nose of the snowman. So yeah, it's pretty much like a triangle, but a sideways triangle. And then with black, I just put on the eyes and the mouth. Very simple. I'm not sure if he looks nice. For some reason, I feel like it's kind of a Halloween pumpkin or like a mean Halloween thing, but it's also a snowman, let's just pretend. So for lunch, we just had some steaks. My mom made them, so I did not film any of the cooking part. She basically just uses butter, rosemary, and garlic. And I wanted mine to be like medium rare, but it was, I think, more than medium rare, so we got kind of scared. So around 2 hours after lunch, I'm usually ready to do a small workout at home. And I also got this new set from Shein, really thick material. I really love it. It's a huge motivation for me to work out. I've been living in them forever, and it just makes me want to work out. So on this day, I made like an upper body workout. I did not film the whole thing. I obviously repeat many of the exercises. I do 2 sets of everything you're seeing. I also have a video where you can work out with me. It's a full body beginner workout, but in today's video we're not focusing on my workout. I'm just showing you like how my daily things go. So I usually try to eat something after my workout. I know this is not like the best thing to be eating after a workout. You would want to go for like protein. Obviously I have, like I mentioned in my earlier videos, I have a protein shake that I take after my workouts. But if I feel like I just did a very low intensity workout, then I don't take it. So I just was craving something with sugar. I had a waffle, I heat it in the microwave, I put some butter and maple syrup. And this is the next day. I'm starting off by drinking water again. My mom left us a list of things to do in the house. Sometimes she does that when she has to work really early. So I did the laundry. After that, I had the same breakfast as yesterday, but I added some maple syrup on top. I found it was really good. Actually, it's like a sweet and sour meal. And then my mom bought us a tiny like Christmas tree and we opened it. Then we went for lunch. I had for lunch some falafel. I don't know if you know what these are. It's not meat, it's not chicken, it's not like... it's made from beans, I think. I really don't know how to explain it. But it was kind of a very healthy, I think, vegan lunch. So after lunch, we were ready to decorate our tiny tree. And I wish I could like keep the music. We were listening to some Christmas songs, but I think I'm gonna get copyrighted if I keep the music, so I'm not risking it. So this is obviously not the main tree. This is just for our room, and I'm gonna show you the main tree in the next vlog, hopefully. So here it is. We put it on top of like a... what is it called? I have no idea. And here is the final result. We were trying to plug the lights on and here it is. We were so happy with it. So a few hours later I got really hungry and I decided to have like an early dinner, and I was planning on cooking something for dessert. You're gonna see in a few seconds. So I had instant ramen noodles, very easy to do. I guess not everyone does it in the same way. I like to keep the water inside of it. Some people like to dry it out of water and then put the sauce in, but yeah, let me know how you usually eat it. So I put the boiling water, close it, and I looked for a recipe. I decided to do French crepes. I picked the first thing that appeared on YouTube, honestly. I eyeballed every measurement. I'm not someone who likes to measure everything and be super precise because I feel like you really don't have to. So there's basically flour, eggs, sugar, milk, and a pinch of salt. Oh yeah, and butter, melted butter. Mix everything together and place them in the fridge for about an hour. So when I place them in the fridge, I go ahead and eat my noodles. And I come back a few hours later to do my crepes. So after you've managed to turn on the heat, the fire or whatever, the oven, the gas, it's pretty easy. Just put some oil on the pan and drop as much as you want. I think it made like around 6 or 7 crepes for me, which I was expecting to get a lot more out of the mixture I made. And I ate them pretty simply, like I just placed some sugar inside. I did not eat all of them, obviously. I ate like 2. After that, I did another small workout, but this time I targeted the glutes. So obviously the next morning I had crepes for dinner, for breakfast. I put some cheese inside of it, it melted, and I also had on the side like a small tart thing. And we're skipping to lunch because I did not film much on that day. This is what I had for lunch. I don't know. There's not much to explain. There's a bit of falafel, spring rolls, kibbitz, a bit of like Arabic food. And for dinner, I had some tofu, but to be honest with you, I was still hungry after the tofu, so I did eat something after that. I saw this recipe, like it's not really a recipe, it's really just very simple. You cut the tofu, you put it in eggs and then breadcrumbs, But I put inside the breadcrumbs, I put garlic and I think some chili flakes, yeah, to make it a bit like more, and some salt, yeah. And then I fry them just like you would fry chicken nuggets or fries. And I put some ketchup. They were really good. I had some juice on the side, and I did not film whatever I had after that because I think it was kind of boring. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more videos like this where I'm just filming my daily life, what I eat in a day, my workout routine, let me know because I really enjoyed filming those. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!